Hey guys, my name is Veronica Wise and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I will show you guys how you can glow up in 2021 and you can glow up today with me and be beautiful. During all this COVID thing, it's really hard for all of us and I totally understand it because now I'm actually on the quarantine. I'm going to be at home for like 10 days, so without walking. There are moments that make everybody sad and feel like lonely, but I want to remind you guys that it's not true and there are people that love you, there is God that loves you. I'll just show you my tips how to stay happy and how to glow up and stay every day really positive in 2021. My first tip, and the most important one for me, is reading Bible daily. Like, there are so many benefits in reading Bible. Firstly, you're just getting peace and get the opportunity to know God better, the creator of the world. Then you just see how God is working in your life and you're just getting wiser by reading Bible. Bible has so many things to tell you about it. You're just getting better listener. God will help you deal with all your problems. You'll just become a better person. When I took care about my inner beauty, now I can just a bit improve my external beauty. Are you with me? But actually the truth in life for me, I cannot do anything when around is such a mess. So cleaning, no. First of all, beauty transformation will start with my clothes. I would like to wear something better than a red hoodie. So, let's change it. That's much better. I like it. So, next step, I will do my hair. So I already prepared my curling iron and I will just do beautiful curls. This is my brother. What do you want to eat? Please subscribe on your channel, please. And if you do not subscribe, I will. Now I'm going to curl my second part of hair that I divided. The last step with my transformation is makeup. I like to look natural. So I'm going to do only my eyebrows and eyelashes. So guys, I'm already done with this step. I'm just glowing up. And the time we live in and in the situation we live in and with all this COVID thing, like every time we're being happy, we're just making positive ourselves and everybody who is around us. So spread love, spread beauty. Each of you is really beautiful and I know it. Make the glow up and tag me. I'll leave my Instagram here. Don't forget to subscribe on my YouTube channel. It will make me even more happier than I am now. Thank you for watching this video. I'll just go and make some photos as I'm in this look. So look at the result. And see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!